Alright, hello ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you back to another video to my YouTube channel for another video of we are still on engineering, graphics and design. So we've been given this one. They said please let us look at this one. So we are given two views. This is isometric, so you know what is the how do we approach isometric basically. So let's read the question. Draw to scale 1:1 an isometric view of the model without showing hidden details. Do you see? They're saying without showing the hidden details. Point 2, ensure point P is the lowest point of your drawing. So let us start. So before we start, let's analyze the views as usual. So in this case, we are given two views which they are given according to first angle orthographic projection, even though the question doesn't specify that which this is given in first angle orthographic projection. But analyzing the views, you can able to see what this is front, this is left, confirming that with with the projection symbol. So this is the first angle orthographic projection symbol, so which means this is going to be my front, this is going to be my left view. You understand? So it is very much important to do that, because you must know where do you supposed to position your front. So let's start. So when you start to draw an isometric, you know we used to start with with a faint constructional line, faint. So you must start it a little bit down, because what you're about to draw is gonna go up. So perpendicular against it. So where the perpendicular to each other is going to be my point, which is point P, the one that they are talking about. And that point P is situated in a right hand side of my left view, and the point P in my front view is situated on the bottom left hand corner of my front view. So there is the P. So don't be like we've got two P's. There is actually one P. Remember, this is the left, this is this is the front. So using a scale of 1:1, which means we are going to record the dimension the way is they are. My brother, you get that? So now action. So I'll start right from the point P and draw angle 30 degrees clockwise direction, faint. There you go. And angle 30 degrees anti-clockwise. So now on top of a constructional line, we are recording a dimension. So from here coming this side, I'm going to record how much this 130, and it's solid. I can see it is solid. You get that? So 130. So put it at 0. So there is my 130, and I draw it dark. Okay, one. So where my 130 ends, I can go up, faint constructional line, and I can go up with how much we am told. From here till there is 90. It's 90, which means from here till there is 90. So right from a vertical constructed line, because I cannot just record 90 in the middle of nowhere. So you firstly construct a line, you understand, and then from there you can record that dimension that you're looking for. You understand? So in this case, I'm looking for 90. So there is my 90. So I'm have it dark. You understand? Once I get that, I can now just draw it faint at an angle of 30 degrees anti-clock. Okay, now I'm a little bit kind of like stuck. Okay, cannot be stuck because I'm given the 30. So now I'll go back towards my point P with 30 millimeter. So from here to right there is 30. From there I'll go down with how much? With unknown faint just like this. Understand? So I'm told to go to from here till S20, which is still the same as that one. Understand? 20 millimeter, go back to my starting point, record 20 from here till right there. I can even draw it dark. You get it? Then I can draw it dark now from here till right there, and this one till right there. So this is my front view. This is my front view. So the left view has to be expressed on your left hand side, the left view. You understand? So that is why you have to put your front view where at your right hand side. So that's where the trick is. Understand? That's where the trick is. Or when you approach your isometric, look at the type of orthographic that they've given you. You understand? Okay, right there. I can come back to my left view now. I have 30 and 30 and 30. So the first 30 from here till there is the first 30, isn't it? So you see that I'm drawing that because of I've already constructed a constructional line. While as I'm recording, I'm drawing. So the first 30 is solid from here till here, so it's solid. So the second 30 is not solid. So the last one is solid. You get it? So from here, there is my 30. I mark it as 0. Then the last one is solid again. There it is. So from there, I can just construct them. Fade up, fade up, and up. Now take this line, just fade. Get it? And now come back and be like, from here till there is so much, from here till there's so much. We are told right from our left view, which is 10 millimeter. So from here till there is 10 millimeter, there is my 10 millimeter ending. And from there, I can have this one dark from here till there. Oh, it's not supposed to exceed. So when you are drawing, don't exceed them. So I'm just practicing with you. So they mustn't exceed like this. So now to show this hidden line, this one hidden line, we are going to just have a line that will be solid from here till right there. So we've simply shown this hidden line, right? So now from here till there's how much? It's 40. It's 40 millimeter. So now from down, from here till here, from here till there, there is my 40 millimeter ending, isn't it? Then at my 40, can now construct this line just faint. Then now can you come back and record the 20 millimeter, the thickness of 20 millimeter from here to right there. Can even draw it dark. Can even draw it dark. Which one is this one? This one from here till there, which is that one. You get it? Then there you go, have it dark from here till there, and come back and have it dark from here to right there. You get it? So now I can take this point, faint this, and take this other one again, faint. So for now I can have, let me not draw them dark. This one I'll end with it. Let me try to solve this. What is happening here? So now is my question. So if I've already drew this one on it, already drew this one from here till here, which is 90, which is from here till there, the 90. So which means I've already gotten that point. This one, it should be that one. So now take it at this angle. Okay, angle 30 degrees. Understand? So this one I can erase it. It wasn't supposed to go that much long. I don't need them anymore. Right. So what is going to happen now? When you get here, what is going to happen, my brother? So it's good as if I'm at this point now. I want to move from here to right there. From here to right there. What is going to happen now? So it's going to be of the very same what length, the very same length from here till the same breadth actually, from here till right there. You can even do it like this, then you come and place it here and the mark. So it means I'll extend my lines till at this point. Understand? Or I can simply just take this point where these two are perpendicular to each other. I take it up. Understand? This corner, I take it up. Once it gets there, it will be still one and the same thing. So now I can have this one. So do you see what this thickness from here till there? It's good as if we've already gotten it way out there, from here till there. Understand? If it was just a straight now, like straight like this, we would have joined this one now from here till there, from here till there. You understand? But then it's not a straight one. It's not a straight one. So now let's get what this 70. So firstly, construct it further just to go up a little bit. Remember, this was what was the 40. Was the 40 from here till here, which is this one. Which is this one from here till there. So there is what? There is a 70. So now come back and record that 70. Remember, from the bottom line, not from here, not from here. So from point P. So from here, let's put my 70 here. So there is my 70. And so once I get the 70, I'm going to do it faint like this and faint like this, and take it to this direction. Faint constructional line, faint constructional line. You get it? So after that, we are going to remember what this, you are not given an angle, so let it come out by itself. So go back and record what 85. So right from here, coming this side, 85 millimeter. 85 millimeter. So I'm going to record it along this line. You see, of course the magazine is supposed to be in the same line. So from here I record my, even this side. It will be up to you whether on this one or on this one. It will be up to you. So I'll record, let me use this one, 85. There is my 85. Then I mark at 0. You understand? So from here till here is 85. What do you do with that? So I can simply take it at an angle of 30 clockwise. You understand? Now take it vertically down. Take it vertically down. Once touch there, once touch right there. So remember, which one was this? Is this one where your 70 ends? So remember, it's this one where your 70 ends. You get it? And actually see that it's still at the right track. So now I can simply take my 30mm ruler, join this one with that one, join this one with that one. This is quite interesting, everyone. So now have it dark from here till there, from here to right there, and you understand, and have it dark again from here to right there. Which one is this one that I'm drawing now? So from here till here it won't be dark. Which one that I'm drawing is actually that point in my left view. It would be that one. Do you see that is dark? So the first one is this one, the second one is this one. So now again, take your 30mm ruler, you join this one with that one, you join this one with that one. So dark this one, and dark like this. You get it? So what guided us here is actually this one. Understand? And that way we strike this arc. You get it? So now I cannot draw this one dark yet. This one we are not even told what is dark or what. This one, and as far as I'm concerned, it's not going to be dark. So where is my eraser? Then from there, but it's going to happen, my guy. Right, so now we are told what from this point coming this side is 45. You can record the 45 from here coming this side, or from here coming this side. It will be one and the same thing. Since I'm drawing sitting down, I can just rely on the drawing compass. There's my 45. It's up to whether you use this one or this one. It should be the same thing. Then take this, your 45, faint like this. So once you get this point, then you have to go back with what? With the thickness of 20mm. Remember, this 30 we've already tolerated it, so the 20mm, you get it. So where is your 20? Ish. There is my 20 on it. So now I can come and place it here. Just mark, I call it marks. So once I've gotten that 20, so I can construct a faint line like this. Right, so what is going to happen now? So I can go up in the center line. That's going to be like this. So now we are having a radius, what, 30, radius 30. So there is an arc which we have to use isometric holes method. You get it, that arc. So of what? Of diameter 30. So simply open your drawing compass to 30. 30. Because it's radius 30 moves, which is this one. Then now now I can come to this center. I mark here and mark here and mark there and mark here. You get it? Then from there, at this mark, at this point, I'm going to have, we are creating the square now. You know, when you are busy with isometric holes, you have to create the square first. So they go faint. Then after that, what is going to happen, my guy? Just give it a little bit of a zoom. We are working here now. So remember, Uchi, this one I can say this is the reference of all these points that I'm about to get. Now, remember, Uchi, from here till here is what? Is that thickness that we got 20 from here till here. Then you put your vertical center, which is good as if it's that one. And it. So this one, because if it was a full hole, it was going to go like this. So you understand. So that is why they said it's radius. So radius 30 from here till here, 30, 30, 30, 30. So we've already drew this one, already drew that one. So now my second 30 is this one. So there you go. The last one, there you go. So you have to be very careful here. So from here till here is 30, which is the corner point, corner point, corner point, corner point. So we are having 4 corners. So we can name them. So I'll decide to say this is corner 1, this is corner 2, this is corner 3, this is corner 4. So this is going to be center of corner 1 and corner 2, which is A. This is going to be center B of corner 2 and the 3. This is going to be center C of corner 3 and 4. This is going to be center D of corner 4 back to corner 1. So we are having 4 corners with their centers. So now it says join the 2 longest opposite corner, and that line of yours has to pass exactly point R. So if we are joining points, we are using a 30mm rule on it. So from here till do you see that is passing our point R? So now we're going to join corner to center, which is corner 2 and the center D, and center B with corner 4. And these 2 lines of yours, they must be parallel to each other. So there you go. Join the corner to center, center to corner. You get it? So there you go. So the time we join the corner to center, center to corner, our longest line, opposite corner line, it was cutted. So the first one is going to be Roman figure 1. So the second one point is going to be Roman figure 2. You get it? So now take the drawing compass, place it at Roman figure. Unfortunately, we are not drawing the full cycle. Understand? So this one, it won't be there. This bottom part of your isometric hole, a part of it won't be there. So what's going to be revealed, place it at Roman figure 2, further extend it to point B or C, and have a dark line that's going to be like this. See, very accurate. Can have it dark. You get it? Then now, which means we've already drew this one. So to draw this other part, so we're going to place the drawing compass way at point 2, further extend it to D and C. So do that. D and C. Just a little bit. Then dark. There you go. Dark. There you go. You understand? So now I can come back now and have this one dark now. From here till right there. Dark. You get it? Then now I can have this one just a little bit back faint, so that I can have this one dark, my brother, from here to right there. So which gap is this one? Is that one? Check, double check your left view. You can see what this is. That gap is going to be this one. So I can have it dark here as well at point D. You get it? So now we must draw an arc that's going to be parallel to this one. So we are going to draw an arc that has to be parallel to this one. So where were you placing your drawing compass the time you draw this arc of CD? You're placing it at 2, so you're going to take this point 2 a little bit back, constructional line. You get it? So now you come back and record the thickness. The thickness which they said is how much is 20 millimeter. They said is 20 millimeter, isn't it? Or you can just simply get it like this. Place it at D to this point, which is the thickness. This is it, right? So now you come and place it at point 2. Then you mark. So which means you'll be placing your drawing compass here, and get the arc that will be parallel. And you are going to draw it from here till where. So come back and place and take point still a little bit back as well as the center. You get it? So now go back to your point 2 and record that. Okay, I was placing my drawing compass way right here, further extended to D, and I drew this arc. You understand? So now without disturbing your drawing compass, you come and place it at this point where you mark, and you see that it's already corresponding by itself. So till at this point, because we are drawing an arc that's parallel to this one, so you can have it dark now from here till right there. You stop here. You stop at the what? Center. Alright, because of even the time you throw this one, you didn't pass, you stop here and it. Understand? So now to draw this other part, where were you placing your drawing compass the time you draw this part? You're placing it at Roman figure 2, right? And before that, get the line, a tangent. And the time you join the two longest opposite corner, this one, from here 1 to 3, that point, it is the one that is going to guide you. Oti is supposed to start where, actually, you understand? Then from there, now I can come back and take this Roman figure 2 a little bit back. There you go, you get it. Then after that, I come back and I record the same thickness. It was supposed to be the same thickness, which is 20 millimeter. Can take it right from here, or you record it from your ruler. You understand? So there I just mark, which means I must be placing my drawing compass here. You understand? So now I can come and record, which okay, I was placing my drawing compass at Roman figure 2, further extended to point B, which is this one. Then I drew this arc like this. Right? So now without disturbing my drawing compass, I'll come and place it where I just mark and further extend till there. So now I can see what okay, it's going to be dark till right here. So once it touch this line of mine, I stop. Once it touch this line of mine, I stop. Understand? So that now I can go back and have it completely dark now from here till right there. So get it nicely. So right. So now I can come back and have this one. So that without fear or favor now I'm going to see what D and the B, which they were centers, is going to be dark. You get it? So now I can see what okay, the upper part is, it will be. Remember, I was a little bit skeptical in terms of drawing it dark. So I can have this one from here till there is going to be hidden. But as from there till there is going to be revealed just a little bit. Yes. You get what I'm trying to say. Are we done? No, we are not done. Take a closer look of your left view. We are having a square, and we are told from here till is 10 millimeter, and then come and record it here. So there is my 10 millimeter. Then where 10 millimeter ends, begin at 50. My 10 from here till there is 10, yeah? Begin 50. So there is my 50. I mark it 50. You understand? So from here till there is 10, from here till here is 50. Get it? So construct them like this faint, like this faint. Then from here till there I record 10 again. Remember I started with 10, 50. Now I start with 10 bottom side, 10 and 50 again. From here to here. So without fear of favor I can draw it dark now, this one, because I can see it's ending right here. You get it? So now it's going to be dark. Remember we've constructed it already. So there it goes. So which means I can extend it a little bit. So this one is already dark from here till right there. You get it? So now it will be dark from here to right there, from here to right there. You get it? So I can have this one now dark without fear or favor, dark here, and this other one dark from here to there. Remember from here till here is not dark. It's not dark because we cannot see a dark line here from here till here. We understand it's not dark. So same applies to what you are doing. It's not going to be dark. So come back here and have this one dark. There you go. There you go. Right, are we done? Are we done? Not yet, because we are told, they look at your front view very well. These hidden details, they tell you okay, this one it's a hole. You understand? So we are going to show it out by taking this line at an angle of 30 degrees anti-clockwise. So you come back and record the thickness OT from here till here is how long. So we are told it's 30. So of which is what we have here. So I can even just record it right here, or you record it right from your ruler, which is 30 millimeters. So the thickness, I come back and place it here and mark. Understand? So at my mark, there you go, and take it vertical. There you go. We are showing those hidden details now. Then from here to here, here we go. You understand? So I think we are done. Should you see something that I have left you, let me down there on the comment. You understand? So from here till here. So thank you very much guys for watching that course. See you on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to support the channel, like and share. So see you on the next video. Bye, thank you.